What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday night over here, Pacific Standard Time. On this video, I will be talking to you guys about Ethereum and see what it could be doing. Could it actually keep this bullish setup that's still apparent on some time frames, or is it going to break down with Bitcoin? We're going to be taking a look at some of the key levels that we should be watching for on both the upside and the downside, as well as some of its price targets. I will also give you my personal sentiments later in the video, how I really feel about the markets and what I am currently doing. So if that sounds good to you, let's dive right into the video. And before we begin today, if you guys don't already have a Webull account and want some free stocks, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away free stocks value from $3,000 to $3,000 when you guys open an account and deposit 100 US dollars. Terms and conditions do apply, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me, so that directly supports my channel. Now, lastly, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice, and these are solely my opinions, because I am not an elite trader of any kind, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear market. But I am looking to crush it for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So Ethereum here on this 3-day time frame, most apparently I do see a falling wedge pattern, which usually breaks to the upside. Usually, not absolutely, okay? We also have to take into consideration of Bitcoin as well, because for the most part, Ethereum still follows Bitcoin. And for Bitcoin, I've already done an analysis on what it could be going on and my personal sentiments on the crypto market as a whole today. Okay, so do take a look into that video that I've just done today and all the regular videos and updates I'll be coming out with. Now, I do see, like I said, we do have a falling wedge pattern on this 3-day time frame. However, price action for Ethereum is beneath all major moving averages on this time frame. Let's take a look into the weekly, where the price action is still above the weekly 200 SMA and the weekly 50 SMA, right at it, okay, which is the orange and the gray line here. If the price action actually, loses these major moving averages, that would not be looking good. Let's take a look into the daily time frame as well, where we are beneath all major moving averages. Let's take a look into the monthly time frame and see if we're at least looking bullish on here. On the monthly time frame, we're above the monthly 50 SMA. However, we're below the monthly 21 SMA, which is the blue line here. So it's very important that Ethereum actually keeps at least stays within this within this falling wedge pattern. If the price action actually breaks out of this pattern here, depending on when it breaks out, I'm just gonna choose a random point along the top trend line here, just because I'm only taking it as an example. If it breaks out by within 2 weeks, then we do get a measure move of about 2460 in that area. Now, that is a measure move. It is an estimate. It could be over, under it, and it might not even get there very quickly most of the time, right? Do your own due diligence and homework on the terms I'm talking about here. Measure moves, measure targets. Now, let's also take a look into the 3-day time frame here, where there could be a double bottom in play, where the price action, came up here to hit the 3-day 200 SMA at, it was at about $2,000. So pretty clearly, we have a double bottom here. Some bullish divergence on this daily time frame. So it's very important that the price action keeps this falling wedge pattern here. If it actually breaks below it, then we're going to have to recharge what is going on. But until then, this is what I'm seeing. Like I said, very dependent on what Bitcoin is doing, and Bitcoin also has a pretty strong correlation with the stock market, and namely, the benchmark that I use is ES1 exclamation mark, which is S&P 500 futures. Okay, so this is what I'm really looking at. At this time, I am long on Ethereum. I have bought Ethereum, thinking that Bitcoin was going to break out of that 32K area, but it hasn't. So I'm kind of sitting on some losses. If it really depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks below about what I want to say that double top pattern on the weekly time frame on Bitcoin, then I am very likely to change my sentiment on the crypto markets. Until then, that's what I'm looking at. I am long on, I still have a bullish opinion on the markets, but that's just me, not financial advice. That's specific to my situation. Do your own homework as you are responsible for your own money. Either if you guys gain profits or if you guys lose, right? That's just how this game is played. Now, this basically wraps it up for today. If you guys appreciated what I'm saying, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.